ground. Unfortunately, I'm 200 HP.
Test 1 2. All right, that's me. Let's do multi-chat. Still no ding. It's supposed to be hearing like a ding sound. It's weird. Hmm. Hmm.
So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how you're able to, so that way you guys can this dashboard and you're going to come all Twitch. Now, if you have a travel account or if you have a DS and your account, join the chat it's going to say something's joined to chat. So what you're going to want to do if you want to see like Kick and all of your other streams, you're going to come down here to the little icon and then you're going to select all. Now you're going to know if this works if you just come over to like Twitch or Kick and look at that. You will see that Kick also pops up. So if I were to go over and if I were to use my YouTube, if I were to use TikTok, your chat is going to look a little different from mine because you haven't set it up yet, but that's what we're about to do right now. So if you want to do either show badges, which you will see that it's showing my badges for either Twitch or Kick. You can do that if you want to, but what you really want to do is you want to make sure that this is checked right here to show the user's platform. So it will let you know that it's from Kick, it's from YouTube, it's from TikTok, and etc. So you want to make sure that's checked. And then where it says show viewer joined or leave, that's going to basically let you know if someone joined your chat. So if you have someone that's just lurking, you will be able to know exactly who's lurking in your chat. That's up to you if you want to enable that. But you also do have the show timestamps, which I like that one. And then you also can do show activities for followers, subs, and etc. I would go ahead and check that, as that's going to give you alerts for whenever someone follows and things like that. It will show up in chat. So once that's done, you want to go ahead and click the X button, and it's going to look exactly like mine. So now that we've signed into all of our accounts and we set up all of our chats, we now need to come inside of OBS and we need to go over to our docs panel, and we just need to create a custom browser doc. So from here, you're going to come back inside of Caster Labs. You're going to go over to the docs section, and then you need to copy your stream chat URL. Once you click on it and it says that it's copied it, you're going to come back to OBS and you're just going to paste it in one of these slots. And you can name this multi-chat. Once you click apply, it's automatically going to pop up right here. And then you can move this wherever you want. So I can just move this right here, and I can now see all of my chats. Now, really quickly, if you're somebody that wants to also add in alerts or any widgets using Caster Labs, what you're going to want to do is come into the widgets and alerts section here, and then you want to click on this plus icon, and you will see that you have the options to add in your follow alerts, your subscription alerts, donor alerts, as well as your rate alerts. And then if you want any labels on your screen, you do have the option to add those here, as well as any form of interactions like having emojis fall down from your screen. You can put this inside of OBS as well. And then you also have your goals and you have your others. So if you were someone that signed in with your Spotify, you do have the option to add a now playing widget while using Caster Labs. The only thing you have to do is just click on the now playing widget. Make sure that you are playing a song inside of Spotify so you can see it in your preview. And if this looks perfectly fine to you, you can just click on this copy link, and then you can just bring it inside of OBS, click on the plus icon, and you just want to add in a browser source. You can name this music. Yes. And if this looks perfectly fine,
Hmm. Hmm. Audio. source. Settings. Counts. Parents. Custom lab source.